nasa isip mo, it was a slow start pero you turned it around. Anong mga shot call yung nangyari doon?
Ako po, wala na po ako shot call kasi sobrang low moral na ako nun eh. Sabi ko lang, isang mali lang nila and alam ko isang window lang bigay nila sa amin kaya namin kamakin.
And that window will now lead to Paris. But Carl, mabalik ko lang. Your road started here at San Juan Arena when you won SEA Games. And now you have the opportunity to make history again na magkakaroon ng 3-peat MPL Championship. Now, does that make you more excited or mas nakakapagbigay ba ng pride?
Or how does that
ganun
boost your
karami
pride?
yung magiging
And you
panalo
got
nyo?
so many wins.
Opo, sobrang masaya ako na
Yeah, I'm very
may chance kami
happy
mag-3-peat
that we
kasi
have a
wala
chance
pa
for a
nagawa ng
3-peat.
kahit sino, kaya exciting talaga sa finals.
Yan talaga, no? Ikaw lang yung sumisira sa mga record mo. Carl Tizzy is the one that's going to beat Carl Tizzy's record. And now Sanford, earlier, first 2 games, comfort pick mo, Benedetta and Paquito. And ano ba yung nagpapagana sa mga heroes na yon ngayon? Na for you, it was effective. You were dominating game 1 and 2.
Hindi ko po ma-point out kung yung pinaka-factor, pero sabi ko sa coaches, hero mastery po talaga, kaya gusto ko po talaga siya pull off. So, gumagana naman po, kaya tinutuloy-tuloy po namin.